Explain the procedure to draw the SFD BMD for force method of analysis. Earlier, we discussed about the deflections for the release structure of a propped cantilever beam. In this section, we'll learn to draw SFD and BMD for a given structure. Let's take an example of clamped beam of constant flexural rigidity. The beam is loaded with uniformly distributed load W and a central concentrated moment M. Here, support reaction R1 and support moment R2 at B are the redundant reaction components. The transverse deflection and slope at B after releasing redundants will be. Now let's apply unit load along redundant R1 and evaluate the deflections. Then apply unit load along redundant R2 and evaluate the flexibility coefficients. Thus, the flexibility matrix and its inverse is represented as. The redundants are obtained by substituting the values in the equation. And the other two reactions can be calculated by equations of statics. Thus, the bending moment diagram for evaluated deflections will be. And the shear force diagram for the structure will be. Now let us summarize the steps to draw the BMD and SFD.